Bongo likes this thing with I hear Luciano coming to Barbados.
Oh, you mean you done it? Listen, I pissed off. You imagine? I got a movie called The Mystic Painting, right?
Guaranteed.
Cause I even showed it at the George Street Auditorium there, so we had a date, yeah. You know what I mean? We done had that crowd response, and yeah. We done had that crowd response because it wasn't the nation was supposed to publish it in the paper. They didn't publish it that we were singing, so a lot of people didn't know about it. But what I'm worried about is that the government could take money and bring in a foreign artist, right? Like Luciano. I got no problem with Luciano, right? It's not about Luciano. But I'm thinking, you could go and bring a foreign artist, and right now, we here in Barbados that who is cultural people, we are not getting support with nothing. You're not getting help with our movie industry, and they could take money, you know, we taxpayers' money, and can help a foreign artist, right? I know they have local artists on the thing, but listen, what about the movie industry that they should be helping? This government is frauds. So they can't even run the system properly. Even the instant they so down there at school that they're going on for years, they can't even solve. And they can't even, I don't know who these people would need to remove. We need a Rastafari Liberation Party to run this country. We need Rastas that qualified to take up the mantle and get themselves in order and form a party so we can have Rastafari running the government and keeping it tight. I bungle like so. When they helping me, and when election time come, when I come tell Rastas who put DLP in power.
And Rasta is who put DLP in power. I'm glad you said that, Bridget. And the first thing when the DLP come on into power, what happened? Ayakobi Maloney gets killed. A Rasta man gets murdered. Right? So when you talking about so there's a lot of issues that need to be addressed. And then when you talking about you're gonna give $50 million to 4 seasons out of the taxpayers, out of the taxpayers' money to give to 50 million when you could have took that 50 million and did so much for Barbados and did so much for the creative arts in Barbados. But you decide to look over that and you want to bring Luciano. You want to try the same strategy that Thompson used, and you want to attract all of the so-called Rastas to the Democratic Party, and then at the end of the day, what you going to do? Kill another Rasta? Let's be real, man. Let's be real.
Yes, they all want to live off of foreign culture. Foreign entrepreneur. We want to, I'm an entrepreneur. I need help. With my movie business, all they give, and I have youth. We can provide jobs for youth. And everybody loves my movies. You don't know. I'm gonna say everybody, but the majority of youth think love my movies. They even every minute they always talk to me and want to get involved. And so it is all about money. We need to express ourselves through movies. And this is the thing now at this time. And we need to get it step up at a higher level. But no, as the one who really the first film festival that ever beat Jamaica, St. Lucia and Trinidad. I beat Jamaica, Trinidad, St. Lucia with my movie Take Them Out. I take up all of them with the movie. And that movie there from there, I write to the NCF for help, and they never even respond to me. I read the proposal, they didn't respond to me. That's why they want to write the proposal to these people, because as Ras, they don't like Rastafari, they don't care about Ras. They only, you go come and bow to them and kiss them ass. They say, Bungle, I don't kiss the ass. And my grandmother told in this time, my great grandmother told in this soil, and build this country. Right. And I deserve help. And if the government don't give me help, I can burn coals of fire. I'm gonna see for myself that a lot of leaders can drop down dead, because Jah never feel like yet. Tell you so. Jah can drop dead. A lot of wanna watch and see. When they play, when they want help, people that who honestly they want to turn. That's why I take up a gun now and go and I start shoot people and rob places now when I want to say that I bad, because I'm gonna like I to do that. Jah know my heart. I mean, not killing or rob my body. You know what I mean? See? I said, I know the movie business need to be forward. And all this talk about Minister Culture don't even know nothing about what's going on in this country, who's the really creative arts in this country. They only want to get a few people thinking that they always circulating money among certain people, and don't want to help the youths. A lot of youths, they got talent, I step youth talent and put it in a movie and let it express, you know what I mean, and be what they want to be, you know what I mean? It's a matter of expression. You know what I mean? and we need help in the movie business. So fire upon Babylon, man. All they want to turn and say, want to try to make it like as a drug lord and all sorts of things. They try to come and try to make me look like as the worst thing in Barbados. But they don't know no way. You know when they come for my property there, so in 2004 and try to raid my place and try to carry me court and so on. I dealing with drugs. They find I innocent because police even went court and tell a whole heap of lies. Police tell a whole heap of lies for the youth, and the youth is just beat the youth, and the youth will say anything because the man don't want. Beijing man can't take blows too much. You know what I mean? The call for them grandmother, the mother, father, where they ain't even got. You understand? But I want to know. Barbados needs a change. If we don't change with the ways and change, the Almighty can change this country. Believe you me. That's all I got to say.
And as I said, man, you know, if you going, we going to put this in perspective. If you're going to use Rastafari,
help Rastafari.
Help Rastafari. Don't help Rastafari with a show. A show can't feed my family. A show can't feed my youths. I sure can't send my youths to school or take care of my grandmother or my grandfather or my mother. I sure can't do that. If you're going to do something for Rasta, really sure that you want to do something for Rasta, set out some money. Show the Rasta community that just like you're willing to give a white boy $15 million to help him out, to help him bail out of a racetrack, and they got money already. And you could give them $15 million to help them. And Barack, a man, a black construction worker in Barbados, you can't pay him back his money, but I bet you going to pay SEALs and all them their money. And you going to pay all, anything you owe. What's the other construction white boy name? Williams. Carl Williams. I bet you if you owe them, you going to pay them. You got to be for real. You gotta be for real about this. Respect your own. Respect black people, just like you respect the Indians and the white boys. Respect your own. Black. Respect your own. And that goes for DLP and BLP. Respect your own. Rastafari.